Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Analog versus VoIP matters because wiring and settings differ. Once done, power both units and inspect connectors. A weak power source causes noise or dropouts. Make sure you have the right cable, CAT5E for networked units, shielded twin lead for analog. Next, place devices within range and label ports. You'll avoid backtracking if you prepare now. Since correct power and cable type determine the wiring method and configuration that follow. You now wire and configure each unit. For analog systems, route the shielded cable, secure ground, and match polarity so audio isn't inverted. Test with short tones. For VoIP, plug into the network, assign static IPs or reserve DHCP, then enter SIP username, password, and set the codec to a common option like G711. Once the network is live, enable Co-S or PoE prioritization to ensure consistent audio and low latency. This prevents you finish by verifying end-to-end operation. Place a live test call and confirm clear two-way audio, then tweak microphone gain and speaker volume until levels are balanced. If you hear echo, feedback, or hum, try a ground loop isolator, lower gain, or change cable routing to eliminate interference. Make sure to save or write down IPs, SIP credentials, and cable labels so you can reproduce the setup later. If problems persist, reboot devices and recheck polarity, power, and codec mismatch first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.